Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook dating, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Ensuring that your location is correctly represented in Facebook dating ensures that you are matched with people who are actually nearby, increasing the chances of meaningful connections. Because matching with people in your vicinity increases the likelihood of finding individuals with similar interests, lifestyles, and backgrounds, which can lead to more compatible matches. Now, for you to be able to fix the location mismatches in Facebook dating, you can do this in two ways. One is if you're comfortable using your computer, just go to the facebook.com, log in, and I need you to click on the settings and privacy. Or you can simply click the help and support and click the report a problem. And from here, click the help us improve Facebook, include and report. And you see, now from here, you choose an area on the problem. If you have the option for the Facebook dating, choose that. Otherwise, it's okay if you don't have that option because, as we all know, Facebook dating is not available in all regions. Some regions are not, doesn't have the Facebook dating option. And from here, all you're gonna do is provide your information as detailed as you can. You can add a screenshot or video if recommended. Let's do that right now. And from here, just click on submit. All right. Now let's switch over to the mobile device. Now, once you are on the Facebook app on your mobile device, I need you to click on the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner and hover to help and support. And I need you to click again to report a problem. Click on OK. Now Facebook is creating a report. Just wait for it. Okay. Now again, if you have the option for Facebook dating, choose that. Otherwise, it's okay because you have also an option here. And that's going to be the apps, right? Because that's a Facebook dating app. And you should always describe the issue on how to fix the Facebook dating location mismatch and attach again the image. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.